The macadamia journey begins with a fortress. This seed is designed to endure, waiting for the perfect moment to wake.
Strength is in the DNA. Even the youngest macadamia leaves are armed with serrated edges to protect the growing life within. A Genesis Motion precision irrigation system delivers a steady stream of mineral-rich water to the macadamia seedling.
The macadamia tree canopy expands into a dense, evergreen ball of foliage.
The macadamia tree is a perennial sentinel, standing green and proud through every season of the year.
Small, pale buds begin to form along long, drooping stems called racemes.
Spring brings the ornament of the orchard. Thousands of tiny blossoms prepare to paint the canopy in shades of cream and pink.
Only a few will survive. From thousands of flowers, only the strongest will successfully transform into a macadamia nut.
The delicate petals fall away, leaving behind tiny green spheres on the macadamia raceme. The tiny green macadamia husks begin to swell, looking like small emerald pearls.
Inside that green husk, a miracle of chemistry is happening. The macadamia tree is synthesizing rare omega-7 fatty acids.
Rainwater cleanses the macadamia clusters, the droplets rolling off the smooth green husks.
A vault is being built. The macadamia tree is depositing layers of lignified cells to create the hardest shell in the kingdom.
The first sign of ripeness. The green macadamia husk naturally splits open along a single seam. The treasure is mature. The buttery macadamia kernel has reached its maximum nutritional value.
The macadamia husk dries up and turns dark brown, releasing the hard nut completely.
The macadamia kernel inside has shrunk slightly, making it perfect for the cracking process.
From a patient seed to a hard-won prize, The genesis of the macadamia is a story of ultimate protection.
The air is visualized as shimmering white and gold particles, representing the premium quality of the oil.
The vault opens. The creamy white macadamia kernel is finally revealed to the world.
The macadamia tree in the background begins to put out new flower buds, starting the cycle again.
The macadamia shell fragments are recycled as fuel for the Genesis Motion drying ovens.
Sweetness before strength. The flower offers a reward to the messengers that make the nut possible.
The serrated macadamia leaves are shown to be a natural deterrent for large herbivores.
The macadamia tree stands as a monument of endurance in the tropical landscape.
Excellence in every nut. Genesis Motion brings you the diamond of the orchard, untouched and pure. These macadamia shells are a sustainable byproduct, revolutionizing modern agriculture.
Detailed shot of the ivory-white color of the macadamia kernel, which never turns yellow if fresh.
The Genesis Motion estate is shown to be a carbon-neutral environment for the macadamia tree.
Sunlight filters through the racemes, making the white flowers look like glowing lanterns.